So you're eager to harness the power of AI, but don't know the first thing about prompt writing? No worries. Referring to our go-to guide and definitive text on the subject, Writing AI Prompts for Dummies, let's explore 10 mistakes to avoid when writing AI prompts. Mistake number 1, not spending enough time crafting and testing prompts. Like any skill, learning to design effective prompts takes practice and patience. You may be tempted to rush through a prompt and get a response from the AI, but hurried prompts usually lead to lackluster results. Use clear language, and don't be surprised if you need to refine your prompt several times to get the desired response. Mistake number 2, assuming the AI understands context or subtext. Now, remember, current AI tools process language literally. While an AI assistant can identify patterns and connections and is aware of concepts like emotions and sarcasm, it could struggle to identify them reliably. AI interprets instructions literally, so be sure to make your requests explicit and clear. Mistake number 3, asking overly broad or vague questions. The AI works best when you provide specific prompts. Questions like, explain consciousness, will overwhelm the AI, and some of us humans for that matter. Good prompts are more direct. Narrow your focus with prompts that have boundaries and context, such as, summarize this research paper in 2 paragraphs. Mistake number 4, not checking for outputs, errors, or biases. Always review AI-generated content. AI systems can reflect biases or produce text that seems right but contains errors. Double-check facts against other sources and look for logic that indicates the AI was confused. As with a human team member, reviewing AI's work is essential before using it. Mistake number 5, using offensive, unethical, or dangerous prompts. AI can amplify harmful biases if prompted inappropriately. Be sure to craft your prompts thoughtfully and encourage positive and ethical responses. Mistake number 6, expecting too much originality or creativity from the AI. AI is great at generating unique mixes of text, imagery, and other media, but there are limits. It is a tool, not an artist, and currently lacks the natural creative flair of humans. So, although AI can generate new work, it generally can't create responses that break new ground. Mistake number 7, copying generated content verbatim. AI output often needs polishing. The text may appear to be well written, but the output is generally a bit rough and needs a good edit. Use AI as a starting point and add your own words and edits to make the final product shine. Mistake number 8, providing too few examples and use cases. AI needs varied examples to understand the task fully. Providing diverse examples help the AI form an understanding about how to accurately respond. Mistake number 9, not customizing prompts for different use cases. A one-size-fits-all prompt to handle all your use cases may seem easier, but will deliver disappointing results. For example, a prompt for a medical article should be different than a prompt for an architectural blog. Building a library of specialized prompts is a time investment that pays off. And finally, mistake number 10, becoming overly reliant on AI for tasks better suited for humans. Almost everyone is excited about using AI tools to make their lives easier, but it's important to avoid becoming dependent on them. AI can automate and personalize, but empathy and ethics are still best handled by humans. Remember, Writing AI Prompts for Dummies is available wherever books are sold. It's a must-read for AI novices and a valuable resource for seasoned pros. With this guide, you'll be an AI prompt master in no time.